Auto cross stitch lets you create cross stitch designs easily from your artwork. From the Create menu, click on Auto cross stitch. A wizard will open to walk you through the design creation process. Click Next to start the process. Select the image you would like to create for embroidery by clicking the Select button. A window will open to allow you to locate and open the image that you want to create. Once you locate the image, click on the file and click OK. Then click Next. The next step of the wizard allows you to crop the image. This is useful if there is extra wording or elements in the image that you do not want to embroider. Resize the square to include or leave off certain sections. When you have finished, click Next. Input the size you want the embroidered design to be and click Next. Here you will reduce the number of colors in the design. If you want the program to handle this, simply click Next. You can type in the number of colors to reduce the design to, or you can have the program suggest the number of colors. You can also have it preview the image as it is reduced. When you're satisfied with the color reduction, click Next. In the final step, you can set how large each cross stitch will be and set when or if the design will trim between sections. You can also select whether or not to include the background of the artwork. To create the design, click Finish. Embroidery Studio will create the design based on the information you have supplied.